Guys, so today I made my third project and I have completed successfully, and that is inverter. It's a 12 volt inverter which provides output to 20 volts. So I will normally show how home inverter means which we have in our homes, how it's work, how it's auto cut, how it's charged. So let's see. So normally you can see this is my circuit. It's looking very dangerous, I know, but it's easy to handle, but it's looking complicated. So I am normally show how our components are connected. So please, just come here. So this is battery. It's a 8 ampere 12 volt battery I have used, and I have also used two transformer. This transformer you will use to charge battery, and this transformer is used to put output to 20 volt DC to AC, and also it will run in AC current also. I will show at last. And I have also placed one is LCD screen to view the battery status and others. This is main circuit which I have made and which I have bought from Amazon, and other things are there. There are four relay. So this relay is used to convert 16 volt to 12 volt, because my battery is 12 volt, so I have to provide maximum 12.50 to 13 volt, so that my battery will be safe zone. So for that I have fixed my input power to battery. It's 12.50. Let's say at first I will show you. So I am connecting to AC current now. So you can see this blue light is on now. Blue light is for AC current, which indicate that your board is now in AC. So that you can see that the line came also in our board, and I can also turn on my light. You can see that. So let first I will show you the power input. So just please focus on that screen. So you can see 12.54 is there. So I already told it's providing output of 16 volt, and after that I control the power input up to 12.50 volt, so that my battery will be on safe zone. There will be no damage. Now I am turning on my inverter connection. So after disconnecting from AC current, it automatically connect to DC to AC volt. Let me show you. I am disconnected from AC current. Yes, you can see this red light is indicate that my inverter is on now. I will show by on. Yes, this is I disconnected AC current. So you can see it's now turning on inverter, and here also indicates that my voltage is down to 11.4 volt. And I am also showing you now. I'm turning off my LCD by charging my phone. Let's wait. Yes, you can see now it's charging. GTS. You can see it's charging now. So by this I can charge my mobile also. I can also turn on bulb up to 3 bulb of a 9 watt board. So let's talk about backup. It will provide you maximum 4 hour and 30 minutes backup by 2 bulb, and if you turn on 3 bulb, then it will hardly give you 3 hours and 10 minutes. And you can charge your mobile up to 100% of 2 mobiles. So that's it. Now I am again connecting AC current. Then you can see it will automatically convert turn off light, and it will start charging my battery. So I'm showing you. Yes, it's now is AC mode, and my battery is on in charging mode. Yes, it's 12.34. It's charging now. So it will maximum it will go to 12.50. So that's all. I hope you like it. Thank you.